let the light come in. Starts to unfold. Gentle waves kiss the quiet shore. My soul has never felt this sure. The breeze is singing through the trees, carrying dreams across the seas. Every step feels fresh and new, like the world was made for me and you. Take a breath, feel alive. Watch the morning come alive. Every heartbeat finds its song. This is where we all belong. Sunrise calling, hear your name. Every morning feels the same. Full of hope, full of light. Everything will be alright. Sunrise calling, don't be late. Open up your heart today. One love, one smile. Stay with me a little while. Footprints fading in the sand, seagulls dancing in the air. Simple moments everywhere. Golden light upon the sea brings a peaceful melody. Every sunrise softly shows how beautiful this life can grow. If the clouds begin to rise, keep the sunshine in your eyes. Every morning brings a chance to live, to love, to sing. Sunrise just hold on. When the road is long and hard, don't forget who you really are. Every sunrise brings new light. After darkness comes daylight. Take a breath and look around. Peace is waiting to be found. Hear the waves upon the shore. Hope is knocking at your door. Lift your head, don't look down. Love will always come around. Take my hand, walk with me. Together we'll be free. Hold on, my friend, don't you cry. Every storm will pass on by. Keep your faith, keep your smile. Better days are worth. Feel the sunshine on your face. Life is not a hurried race. Every little step you take brings a brand new chance to make. Let your spirit ride the wind. Leave the heavy days behind. With the rhythm of the sea, your soul can finally breathe. Until we meet again. Listen to the wind, listen to the sea. Every new morning brings another chance. Come with me. Yeah. 1,000 stars. I just need your loving heart. Every smile you give to me feels like endless summer breeze. When the morning calls our names, love is always still the same. Every road may twist and turn. You're the place where I return. Stay a little longer now. Let our hearts forget somehow. Every dream begins with you. Every sky is brighter blue. Your love feels like home. Wherever we may go, hold my hand, don't let go. Together we'll grow old. Your love feels like home, more than you'll ever know. One heart, one soul, you make my life complete. Every sunset paints your face like a picture time can't erase. Every breeze repeats your name. My heart will never be the same. Even when the rain comes down, you'll still turn my world around. Through the laughter, through the tears, I'll be yours through all the years. Every sunrise brings new light. Every sunset feels so right. If the whole world fades away, I'll still choose you every day. Your love feels like home. Wherever we may go, hold my hand, don't let go. Together we'll grow old. Your love feels like home, more than you'll ever know. One love, one dream, forever we'll believe. Your love feels like home. One love, one heart, forever. You and me. Oh yeah, this one is for you. From the first hello to forever. Listen to my heart. Hey. Oh. Before you came, the days were gray. You brought the sunshine my way. Every little word you say makes the darkness fade away. When you laugh, the whole world sings. Love is found in simple things. Every morning feels brand new. Every dream begins with you. Come a little closer now. Let our hearts remember how love can heal, love can shine. You're forever hand in mine. You changed my world with your love, your smile. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing will ever be the same. You changed my world. You're my sweetest melody. One love, one life. Stay here forever with me. Oh, every road we walk together feels like perfect summer weather. Through the sunshine, through the rain, I choose you again and again. When the evening softly falls, I still hear your gentle call. You're the rhythm in my soul, the missing piece that made me whole. If tomorrow brings another dawn, I'll still love you all day long. Every season, every year, I'll be grateful you're still here. You changed my world with your love, your smile. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing will ever be the same. You changed my world. You're my sweetest melody. One heart, one dream. Forever you and me. Oh, you changed my world, my melody, my forever, one love, always you. Look at the stars, they're shining for us. Take my hand, don't let go. Tonight is forever. I found your smile beside the sea, like a song that rescued me. Every wave knows your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Golden moon above the tide. You're my peace, my place to hide. Every heartbeat softly says, I will love you all my days. Stay with me, heart to heart. Promise we'll never drift apart. a place where the morning arrives with a smile, where every wave carries a new beginning, where the wind whispers, take your time. Welcome to the island. First light kisses the sea, bringing peaceful harmony, golden skies and crystal blue. Every dream feels fresh and new. Palm trees dancing side by side with the gentle morning tide. Every breath is calm and free, like the rhythm of the sea. Far away, let your heart enjoy today. Feel the sunshine, hear the breeze. Life is found in moments like these, where the ocean smiles, every heart begins to fly. Feel the sunshine, feel the sea. This is where we're meant to be, where the ocean smiles, laughing by the shore. Simple joys are worth much more. Seagulls gliding through the air. Freedom seems to live out there. Every sunset, every dawn brings another beautiful song. Every wave upon the sand feels like nature's gentle hand. Carries a joyful island melody, clean reggae guitar skank, warm bass with a smooth one drop groove. Oh, oh, oh. When the evening paints the sky, watch the stars begin to shine. Hold this feeling in your heart, let it never drift apart. Can you feel the breeze? Listen to the waves. Welcome home. Shines beneath the sun like a dream that's just begun. Footprints fading in the sand. Freedom's calling, take my hand. Palm trees whisper soft and slow, telling stories only they know. Every wave that meets the shore makes me want this life much more. Take your shoes off, feel the sand. Leave your worries where you stand. Let the ocean calm your mind. The peace you've searched is here to find. Waiting by the sea, come with me, where our hearts can finally breathe. Feel the waves, hear the tide. Leave the restless world behind. Waiting by the sea, stay a while. Every moment brings a smile. One love, one dream. Nothing's better than it seems. Children laughing by the shore, simple joys and nothing more. Salty day and endless blue. Every sunrise feels brand new. Shells are shining in the light. Everything just feels so right. With every breath my spirit knows this is where my heart belongs. When the sun begins to fall, love is all that matters most of all. Every color in the sky reminds us time keeps passing by. Waiting by the sea, come with me, where our hearts can finally breathe. Feel the waves, hear the tide. Leave the restless world behind. Waiting by the sea, hold on tight. We'll remember this tonight. One love, one soul. The ocean makes us whole. The sun is sinking low. The sky turns gold. Let's stay a little longer. Tonight is beautiful. still young. Stay with me just a little longer. Street lights glowing in the rain. You and I forget the pain. Every moment passing by feels like stars across the sky. Your soft laughter fills the room. Flowers quietly start to bloom. Every heartbeat finds a song. With you is where I belong. Take it slow, don't say goodbye. Let this moment softly fly. Hold my hand, close your eyes. Love is here tonight. Stay a little longer. Don't let this feeling fade. Stay a little longer. Love is quietly made. Stay a little longer. Right here next to me. One love, one dream. Just let our hearts be free. Records spinning nice and slow. Warm lights casting a golden glow. Coffee cups beside the door. I don't need anything more. Every little smile you give makes me love the life I live. No big words, no grand design. Just your hand holding mine. If tomorrow comes too soon, we'll still have this quiet room. Every memory starts tonight, wrapped in soft and gentle light. Stay a little longer. Don't let this feeling fade. Stay a little longer. Love is quietly made. Stay a little longer. Forever, if you please. One heart, one soul. You're my sweetest piece. Just a little longer. One love, good night. See you in my dreams. Slow down, breathe with me. Everything feels better when you're here. smile, my favorite beat. Little moments, simple days. Love is found in little ways. No more running, no more noise. Just your laughter, just your voice. Every second feels brand new. Life is slower next to you. Close your eyes, feel the breeze. Stay right here next to me. Slowly, slowly fall into my arms. Slowly, slowly, safe from all the storms. Slowly, slowly, never let me go. One love, one heart, let our story flow. City lights begin to glow, moving with the radio. Every sunset, every mile feels much better with your smile. Nothing more is needed now, just this promise, just this vow. Hand in hand will always be like the rhythm of the sea. If tomorrow comes too fast, let's make this moment always last. No rush, no fear, as long as you are here. Slowly, slowly fall into my arms. Slowly, slowly, safe from all the storms. Slowly, slowly, stay forever close. One dream, one love, you're the one I chose.